Well, hello, you trader nerds. How is everybody doing? It is a Friday. I'm holding Cocoa Bean, the wonder dog, the amazing little puppy that loves to, he's a trader. Look, he likes to screen. Watch him. Mark it to screen, Jack. Is it going bullish or bearish? Anyway, he's a dorky. And I'm not calling him a bad name either. He's a, he's a dorky. What is a dorky? It's a Yorkie and a Dotson. That's what it is. A Dotson and a Yorkie together. You call him a Dorkie. And he is the sweetest thing. He's mean as a devil, though, because he'll bite the heck out of you. I got places all over my hands. But anyway, hey, Abby, come get him, would you? Okay, let me put him in the floor. I'm afraid he's going to crap on the floor if I put him in there. Boy, those dogs do not miss either, boy. I mean, they got regular bowel movements. Oh, Lord Jesus. Help us one and all. So anyway, hope y'all are doing good. It is Friday. Look at this. The market is down 0.15%. The market's not supposed to go down. And we've only got 3,800 contracts every 2 minutes. Everybody has gone to the Hamptons. It is over, baby. Look at this. It is flat as a flitter. Look at this. No action at all, which means the last 30 minutes of the day may get dicey with no volume. You never know that last 30 minutes of the day. So we are under the 15-minute opening range. We're under cash open. We're under the VWAP. We're under the overnight high. We're at a pivot point. The hourly midband is going down slightly, but it's really just flat. VIX is at 13. AD is negative 14. It's just a weak kind of day. Let's look at the green monster. And look at this, y'all. We had some gaps. See how we had a gap open, and then we filled the gap. And then we've just been up and down and up and down. So what we're seeing here, it won't let me draw, will it? Dang it. Dagnabbit. But do you see a consolidation pattern? You see it really good, don't you? We're seeing a consolidation pattern. And what we're probably going to experience is a big move one way or the other. So we're either going here to the 48.60 around that area, or we're going to the 49.66. I just don't know where, but it's going to break out of this little consolidation area that we've had here. See how it does? Look, it consolidates and moves, consolidates, moves, consolidates, moves. So we expect to see maybe some oversized movements next week, which will be kind of cool. Let's look and see what the expected move is next week. So here we go. Expected move is up for next week. Looks like we barely breached the expected move this week. We barely breached it last week. So we may be due for an oversized move, y'all, one way or the other. So the little stair steps are going up. So it'll be interesting to see if that move is indeed to the upside and to hit that 5,000. Very well could. But I could actually see it going down to that 48.60 or so as well. So interesting here. Remember, we remain bullish as long as the weekly 10 moving average is above the 20 moving average, and it is, so we remain bullish. We also look at the 200 daily moving average. We're above it. We remain bullish, and we look at the 10-month moving average. We are above it. So all things say bull, 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 and I'm excited about that. Hey, we got to let River out so he can go use the bathroom and he won't call Bart during my entire class. Okay. So everything looks really, really good. So let's look at and let me preface, I'm so excited about our Muscadine Mafia session today. Our Muscadine Mafia, we're going to be talking about opening your own hedge fund, your own investment fund. So you don't want to miss that. It's available to Muscadine members only. We're going to talk taxes. We're going to talk all kinds of things. We're going to talk about engagement letters, the attorneys that you can hire, the accountants that you can hire, where you can get information, the different kinds of funds, how much it costs. It's going to be really, really great. So make sure you're in the Muscadine Mafia session today, immediately following this session. And if you're on YouTube and you go, what the crap, I want to see that. Well, all you got to do is join Muscadine Mafia. And in the Muscadine Mafia recording room, this will have a recording in there of the how to start a trading business. So it's going to be very, very good. And I'll show you some things from my attorney and kind of what we're going through in forming a investment fund. So it'll be really, really cool. All right. So let's see. Let's go to the IRA account. And let's see, I've not traded this one in a while, y'all. I bet we're sick on theta. 95,517, 95,517. So let's put it in there, baby. 95,517. Oh, yeah, 517. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now to the
Look at us, y'all. We're already up 1% on the year. I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. But Bobby, the market's up 2.54%, you fat black glass wearing bastard. I understand. But if we can do 1 to 2% a month, y'all, I am good. That is all I need because I'm going to overperform the market when the market is down. So give me 2% a month. I'm going to be fine. But I definitely probably need data in this account. So let's see what our Greeks and ratios are in this account. So we go to the monitor tab. Let me hide my working orders there and take off our groups. But turn the air conditioner on. It is hot as crap. It's maybe my stage lights that I've got on. All right, so let's see. Our delta is 65.78. 65.78. So let's put that on. 65.78. Greeks and ratios. 65.78. Wow, my theta went up. How did that happen? And our VIX is at, what was it, 13? And our buying power is at 24.5, let's say 24.5. Now, this tells me that I need a trade. And we decided that the average trade size for this $100,000 account is probably a 3 lot. And you can see I've not put on anything in since January the 23rd. I bought the long hedge and then went ahead and sold some shorts. So let's go ahead and put on a trade, at least a 3 lot of the micros. So, Beth, you're so loud during my class. Don't tell me to shut up, girl. You be sleeping in the bar tonight, lady. You be glad that you got a place to sleep, woman. Y'all see how I keep Beth in line. So let's go to the macros. Yeah. I got her under control, y'all. I ain't scared of you. I hurt my knee today when I was working out doing a plank, and she's calling me a baby because my knee is hurting. It hurts bad, y'all. Wow. Is this all we've got in expirations? 112 and 147? Well, we got to go to the 112. And y'all, I may do a 4 lot. Hell, we don't want verticals here. We want single. Beth, you are interrupting my class, woman. So let's see, a 5% probability of being in the money. That's this. So let's say, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got to keep theta in the tank, y'all. So 6 of these. We're going to try it at 1575. So come on, baby. Rock my world, little country girl. All right, so we got to work that down a little bit. So let's go to 1550 and get her. Yeah, put him in his crate in that bedroom because he acts like he needs to poop or something. Okay, well, we'll get that up. Like Ozzy Osbourne. You're sharing Osbourne. Huh? Oh my goodness. All right, what do we do here? I forgot what we did. So we sold 4, 5, 6 of those at 1550. And what was the expiration? 112 days. So we sold the 4150s, 6 of them. Let's put it in our spreadsheet and smoke it, baby. So 6 of these, the micros. Oh, I love our little spreadsheet. If you don't have your spreadsheet, I'm working on updating the link. I just hadn't done it yet. So this is going to be naked put 108, I guess, 4150 puts. This is a naked, what do we say, 112 at 126.24. And I think we got filled at 1550. There we go. So we took in $456 worth of premium. Nice. Now it's time for us to put in our put debit spread. Let's go ahead and get that going. So we'll do 3 of those, right? Because we're doing 3 trancher. So we'll call this PDS 108 and puts debit spread 112 days, 126.24. All right. So let's go put those in. Come on, baby. We go to about the 25 delta or so. I always move it down just about 1 after that. So we want to pay less than $10 for those. I do. I don't know how you do it. So 875 looks good. Let's do 3 of these. And 850. Come on, baby. Bill me, girl. I said, bill me, woman. Damn it. Damn it. Let's go. What?
Sounds naughty.
Beth, don't say it sounds not. Will you go do whatever you got to do? Can you? Is there not a kid that needs to be picked up from school?
If you put,
Huh?
Bobby, shut up and listen.
What?
When you put woman behind it,
Okay.
that sounds nasty.
Okay, Beth. I'm sorry. It sounds nasty. My apologies to everybody. Jeez, Beth, will you go bother somebody else? Unbelievable.
It's 3:45.
47. Okay, I'll pick him up at 345. 4750, 4700. So we did 4750. Hey, put that dog, close that door. Well, close the door where everybody don't have to hear it.
Stairs.
Let me tell you something, girl.
I'm gonna push you down the stairs.
Hey, you ain't pushing me down those stairs just because I got a bum knee. Watch out, Beth. I still chase you around this yard. All right, so we got filled at 860. Good Lord. Is there not a toilet that needs to be scrubbed or something? Leave me alone. All right, so we took in 456. We paid out 137. Yay! So we're looking really, really good, y'all. Let's look at the analyze tab. How many hedges do we have on in this account? We've got, look at this, y'all. We've got, ooh, that's not good. 21 short hedges and 25 long hedges. Boy, that's not good at all. We need to fill some of those. I'm not going to look at the analyze tab because I'm probably not going to like what I see. I don't know. Let's look at it. So let's go here and look at our hedges. Let's go to ES and just look at the hedges. Let's see what we got here. Hedges, single symbol. What kind of trades here? We're going to hide simulations. So we just look at our stuff. Oh, look at that. That looks good, doesn't it? There's a 112 trade. So let's take it out of the mix. We don't want a 112. There we go. So we got our 112 out. So we got a 3-5, a 12-20, and then we started a 6. Let's see how bad that looks. Oh, I don't want to see this, I don't think. Let's move this 126. Let's do expirations. Let's do vol step. Let's do 4 vol steps. Okay, it's not too good. I don't know why I sold 6. I probably should have sold 3 because I still look kind of gross down here. So this is 5, 12, 20% down, 20% down. I'm only down. Oh, that's not bad. I'm down $6,800 on my hedges. That's not bad. And so how close are we getting those other orders finished? $1.60 at $3. Okay, so we got a while to go. But when we fill those 10, oh, y'all, that's going to be so good. And the way you'll look at it then is you'll look at this and you'll go analyze that trade. So let's change this to ES so you can see what it's going to look like when the black swan hedge gets fully in. So now let's go hide positions. Let's show my simulations. And the simulations, let me get rid of all of these except for those 10 so that you can see what it looks like when we fill those 10. Now let's go show all. Now, baby, now come on, $22,000 if we have a 20% blowout, or look at there, $81,000, baby, $81,000. So that sounds good. All right, I think that's it. Oh no, it'd be more than that with 10% down. Look, here it is. $153,000. Now, how does that look with my portfolio? Probably still losing. Let's take off those T-bills so we can see everything. Come here, baby. There we go. Look at this. I'm fully hedged. Everybody see that? That's with my 112s. When those 10 fail, y'all, look. We're fully hedged. $6,000 profit to the downside. Bingo, baby. That's really good. Negative 98 deltas now will be 100 deltas by end of today's session. Oh, that's good. And your 98 deltas now will be plus 100 by the end of today's session. You got some movers. If you're negative 98 delta, then you're going to be 100 plus. So you're doing some stuff. All right, guys. Great session. Let's go to Muscadine Mafia and let's talk about the business of trading. See y'all later.